welcome back to my channel. Shara here with another video. As you can see, I did a nail tutorial today on press-on nails. I'm so excited because they were so easy to do. I haven't painted them or anything yet because I haven't decided on what color I'm gonna wear. I might just wear them white for right now. But these were so quick and easy to do. I didn't use any glue at all. I mean, so easy. Ordered the nails off of Amazon and here you have it. So keep watching so you can see how I did this. So quick and easy. I'm hoping this is something I can continue to do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and hit that like button if you like the video. So keep watching.
For this, you will need some press-on nails, which I ordered off of Amazon. I'll put the link below. You'll need a LED UV light to cure the nails. You need a file because you have to get it very rough, a surface, so the nails will stick onto them. I recommend like putting some nail polish remover on your nails to make sure you have don't have any excess oils or anything like that. It just helps with the process. I just decided to clip my nails down a little more because they already chipped and they look crazy anyway, so you know, ain't no point in keeping those. Now this is something I just got from Sally's. It's like a gel coat. So you want to use a gel base coat, and you can get them at Sally's or Ulta, Amazon. So this is the Kiss nails that I got from Amazon. Now I had watched a video about this glueless method before, so she recommended these nails, so that's why I got this set, and they do seem to be very durable nails, not too thin, so that's why she suggested those. Now it comes with glue, but we're not going to use glue for this method. And I recommend like laying the nails, sizing the nails up to each one of your fingers and laying them out exactly how you want them, because some of the sizes might not be right for you, so you just want to make sure that you have each one that's for your nails, and it'll make the process go faster. I end up realizing that later on. So before you put your nails on, you just want to file the top of each of your nails just so there's a rough surface, so it's easier for the nails to adhere. So once you're all filed up, then it's time to begin putting the gel base coat onto your nails and putting the acrylics on. So you want a good amount on there because you are using this light glue. The base coat you're using like a glue. So you just want to put a good amount, not too thin but not too much, of the base coat. And you just put that on there as much as you think is good. See, now that's about the amount that I use. And then, now the hard part about this is when you put your nail under the light, you have to use the other hand to hold it on there under the light. So that was the hardest part about it. But I put it on, I put it under the light for about maybe 40 seconds each nail. So you just want to hold that nail down while it's under the light. And that is basically the steps on putting these acrylics on without, I should say acrylic press-ons without glue. So you basically want to hold that down for about 40 seconds, and then you want to repeat the process on each nail. And when it comes out, it's not going anywhere. I mean, I was kind of scared, but it was on there and it was pretty good. And you know, those LED lights, they really do their job. Like once something goes up under there, it is cured. So you want to just go ahead and basically finish the rest of your nails doing the same method, putting that base coat on top of each nail and putting it under the LED light, holding it down with the other hand. Now, I have to admit that I did make a mistake doing this. I had accidentally been using the top coat, gel top coat, and I did not realize it because when I bought these, I could have sworn that was the base coat, but I ended up using the wrong thing. But honestly, I didn't notice a difference. I used the top coat on accident instead of base coat, and I didn't have any problems. But I would suggest doing this. You would want to use base coat instead of top coat for adhering the nails. So that was just a mistake that I made, and I realized it maybe a little bit. Maybe like after 4 nails, I realized that I was using top coat instead of base coat. But I didn't have a problem with the nails that I did use top coat with. So just to let you know. So this is when I realized that I'm like, oh no, this is the base coat. That base coat had came in a little kit. So I realized that I had the base coat in that kit. So I just switched over and started using the base coat for the rest of the nails. So yeah, but I didn't have a problem with the nails I used top coat. I don't even think it probably mattered, but I'm not sure. But I would just suggest using base coat because it just sounds like that's what you should be using, a base coat. So yeah. So yep, I went ahead, finished up one hand, and that's what it looks like. Yep, one hand done, and they look really good. Woo! Big difference. So, yep, so you just want to finish up your other hand, and you are good to go. So, now both hands are done. This is the final look. They came out great. I like them. They're easy to manage. The only thing with these nails is that on the edge of the nail, it has like a little like rough area. Now, it probably would be best to file that down before you do your set, so you don't have to do it after while it's on your nails. But you know, I forgot about that, so I'm just gonna file that piece down right there. It seems to be on each of them, so I'll just file that down, and pretty much after filing each one of those little rough parts down, I put on a 2 layers of top coat, and it looked really nice with the top coat on there. It was like really shiny and just a nicer look. And then I just wore them clear for now, but if you want to put some color on it, you know. Now, these nails can last anywhere from a week to, some people say, 2 weeks. Now, if you're rough like me, it's going to last you 1 day. But, you know, that's all I'm going to say, because I'm kind of rough on my nails. But, you know, depending on you, on how long they will last. But this is a perfect look, a perfect method for someone that's just going out that night and you need a set, or you're going out to eat real quick. I mean, you know, it's super easy. Why not? So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned for more videos.
Stay safe and stay healthy. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. This is Batman on SiriusXM Hip Hop Nation. Baby Flyboy. No, I can't be your Batman because I be robbing.